What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and we are almost 9 days away from the official Samsung Galaxy S23 Unpacked event, and the leaks aren't stopping for the smartphone, as the one of the shop officials retail shop have shown there all the models of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, which could be the world's first view of the Galaxy S23 Ultra smartphones in all the colors in action and in real life. Now this time around, the phone does look incredible, but there is some interesting thing that the Samsung has actually changed in the design, and the box giving you is a new kind of unboxing experience in the smartphone. Now this time it won't be having a letter S on the box, and but it has the actual phone printed on the front of the box. Now this design is going back to the design of the showing the all new design of the Galaxy S23 lineups of smartphones, which all the S23, the S23 Plus and the S23 Ultra. Now the phone design could have been much bigger than the expected and the real life, but apart from that, the megapixel camera is also getting bigger this time in the S23 Ultra, as it will be coming with a 200 megapixels of camera, and it can be heavily cropped by 12 times, and yes, the photos were fairly decent enough. Now apart from that, what we also know is that the 200 megapixel camera is indeed a very good camera setup, but it will be requiring a lot of enhancements and the software improvement to get the best photo out of this. Now by default, you will be getting a 15 megapixels photos to get the perfect balance outcome of the photos with the perfect size, and also the file size won't be getting that much of a big. And this time around, the curve of the phone is also getting to reduce, and what you also be getting is the brightest display, as it will be getting a 2000 nits of peak brightness in this smartphone, and they could have been introduced in the S23 Ultra, but they've also coming with the all of these smartphones, and the battery life of this smartphone coming with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor with the UFS 5.1 is also coming out of the box, which is again, the performance is going to be great this time around. The battery capacity is going to be a 5000 mAh battery, which is again on the very good side. And overall, the Galaxy Unpacked event is coming on 1st of February. So if you are also excited, then do consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so you never miss updates from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.